Whatever.
Oh my god. And my dad's not here.
Dude, you dropped the fridge door. What the?
Dude, it's because that thing's fucking manga, that's why. Oh my god.
What the hell?
She just falls.
I don't know, I just fucking opened the door and it falls down.
Freaking nice.
This one? And then I try to pick it up from the back and everything falls.
I know. Yeah, but I want to pick it up, try to like maybe.
That's crazy. Oh my god, I can't believe you.
I didn't do it, dude. Oh, you saw that I just opened it.
Wait, but I don't know how to fix this.
Somebody.
Wait.
I've never seen a fridge door like fall apart like
You have to put it into here.
First, what do we do with that? I don't know.
And then that part probably slides in. Hang on.
And let me just take the
Wait.
That was crazy. I did not expect it.
Put it, wait, hang on.
Karina,
I just thought you.
Karina, stop recording. It's just,
Oh my god.
it's heavy, huh? That's how I was like, what the?
That was
Like I was a freaking.
Whoa.
Jenna, you grab the other side. I'll grab this
How
one.
does that thing? You have to put it right here. There first, like at an angle, and then because then you're gonna have to put it in.
Whoa, tough on us.
The
Not
hole.
even grabbing.
Yeah,
I don't know what the hole is.
the hole's right here.
Oh,
But how come it's shorter?
Oh, fuck.
Oh. Because it's not in there.
Oh,
Anna, be careful. Don't put your.
I'm
don't
not,
put your
I'm
hand right
not.
now.
I have this shit on me.
Oh my god.
I don't know, it's an extra part.
Jenna, why did you open it so jerkingly?
No, I didn't.
How did it just
You
fall?
saw me. Didn't I just open it regular?
I think you were just closing it.
Yeah, I
You were
was.
opening.
Maybe it was.
It's because it didn't close, and I was like, what the hell? And I closed it, and it just like bowed down.
You're supposed to put the top on first, I think.
The top goes first.
Oh, my bad.
So this one kind of slides
But
in.
this can, that one can.
Move.
Yeah, I can move this way.
What are you doing?
Oh, God. So,
Wait,
no.
That's.
Karina. Oh my goodness.
You're not finding the hole.
There we go.
How many fingers there? You're gonna fall. Okay, ready? I got it.
Wait.
Come on.
Yeah, don't worry.
Oh, mother, someone's fingers. Heidi, is that your fingers?
That's my finger. That's my finger.
Home.
Ow!
Where's he trying to?
Down there.
Move it more down. Move it more down. No, move it more down.
Down.
More down. And then slide it in. There.
Wait.
Hurry.
Wait.
You're gonna drop it.
You can do it.
Is it there?
Okay, I don't think this dart's gonna
but I
survive.
don't think it's gonna stay.
Well, yeah, it's as long as it's going on the fridge.